earning this much, or this much. And that too remotely isn't impossible. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can land such a high paying job. Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Curb. Here at Skill Curb, we post daily videos on new cutting edge technologies. Today, we're going to talk about some of the most sought after professional certifications that can help you boost your career and land a high paying remote job. All of these certifications are available at Coursera, which means you can potentially get the financial aid which leads to a free certification. But of course, that is just a possible scenario. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First up is the Google IT Support Certificate. It is available on Coursera, and this program equips you with in-demand skills such as troubleshooting, customer support, system administration, and Python. With this certificate, you can kickstart your career in the fast-growing field of IT. It is not free, but Coursera has a financial aid option available as well. After completing the Google IT Support Certificate, you can make around $49,000 to $75,000 a year. Next, we have the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, and this is also available on Coursera. Almost all the certificates in this video are available at Coursera and will get the benefit of financial aid. This program helps you master practical skills and knowledge that data scientists use daily, including tools, languages, and libraries like Python and SQL, and you can expect to earn around $111,000 to $184,000 yearly. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is another excellent program. It prepares you for entry-level roles in cybersecurity, teaching you to identify and mitigate risks and vulnerabilities, protect networks and devices, and use security information and event management tools. It is also available on Coursera, and as a junior remote cybersecurity specialist, you can earn from $94,000 to $161,000 yearly. The Salesforce Sales Operations Professional Certificate is designed to help you manage accounts, opportunities, products, quotes, and contracts. Using Salesforce Sales Cloud Lightning, after finishing up this certification, you will be eligible for the role of sales manager or so in this niche. You can expect an yearly salary of $89,000 to $166,000. The Google Data Analytics Certificate is a great choice for those interested in data analysis. You'll learn about R programming, SQL, Python, Tableau, and more. And there are tons of opportunities out there for data analysts. You will be a full-fledged data analyst after completing this Google Data Analytics Certificate. And an average data analyst earns around $75,000 to $126,000 yearly. The Google Project Management Certificate prepares you for a career in project management. In this certification, you learn to manage digital marketing campaigns, attract and engage customers, and sell products online. You can actually jump to entry-level jobs right after the certification, and in some scenarios, even a senior level job, and you will earn around $73,000 to $126,000 as project manager every year. Google UX Design Professional Certificate is a fantastic program for those interested in user experience design. You learn the foundation of UX design, including empathizing with users, building wireframes and prototypes, and conducting research to test your design. It is available on Coursera, which means you can get it for free if you are eligible for financial aid. And as a UX designer, here is what you will be making per year. The Meta Social Media Marketing Certificate is a comprehensive program that teaches you to establish an online presence, build a following, and manage your social media accounts. You can actually work freelance for different businesses after this certification, or you can start a job and manage the company's digital presence. You will be making around $50,000 to $92,000 every year. The Google Digital Marketing and eCommerce certificate equips you with all the skills to manage digital marketing campaigns, attract and engage customers, and sell products online. This certification is available at Coursera, and you can actually work as an e-commerce manager after wrapping up this certification. The yearly salary of an e-commerce manager ranges from $62,000 to $114,000. The Meta Backend Developer Professional Certificate is a comprehensive program that equips you with the technical skills required to become a qualified backend developer. You will be learning different backend frameworks as well how to code APIs and work with them. You can land a backend developer job right away after this certification. And here is what you will be making as a backend developer remotely every year. The IBM DevOps and Software Engineering Professional Certificate is a program that equips you with the skills needed for the roles in DevOps and software engineering. You will be learning different DevOps approaches like support, troubleshoot, and much more. It is the up-to-date version of IT help desk support, and you can start earning right after this certification as there is demand for DevOps engineers in the market. And here is what you will be making as a DevOps engineer. The Introduction to Agile Development and Scrum program equips you with the skills needed for roles in Agile Development and Scrum 5. You learn about the Scrum framework, rules, artifacts, and events, and how to apply them in software development projects. You can land an Agile Manager job, and this certification is again available on Coursera, which means you might not have to pay anything for it, and you will be making from $104,000 to $152,000 yearly as an Agile project manager. Finally, we have the Introduction to Cloud Computing. This program equips you with the skills needed for roles in cloud computing. You learn about popular cloud computing skills like MapReduce, database architecture, artificial intelligence, and cryptography. And by the end of this certification, you will be a full-fledged cloud computing engineer, and your potential yearly salary might range from $93,000 to $157,000 as a cloud computing engineer. That's all for today, folks. Remember, these are just averages, and actual salaries can vary based on your location, level of experience, and the specific company. If you found this insightful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to Skill Curb. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We will continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Stay curious and keep exploring.